Hey everyone, welcome back to Cybrosis. In a busy sales environment, duplicate leads and opportunities can cause confusion, miscommunication, and wasted effort. Today we are tackling a super important feature in Odoo 18's CRM: how to merge similar leads and opportunities. Odoo intelligently helps you detect these duplicates, allowing you to combine them seamlessly without losing any valuable information. Let's make your pipeline squeaky clean. Odoo automatically detects similar leads and opportunities based on the email address and phone number of the associated contact. This is your first step to identifying duplicates. For that, first let's go to the CRM and let me go to the leads. Okay, when Odoo finds a potential match, you will see a similar leads smart tab button appears prominently at the top of that lead or opportunity record. So this smart button is your alert system for potential duplicates. Now, if you just take a look at the leads over here, you have quotation. I'll simply, highlight it. Okay. So here you have quotation for 100 desks and estimation for office furnitures. If you just take a look at the emails, both are the same. So once you open these leads, so I'll open quotation for 100 desk, you can see a smart tab which says similar leads. So it has two similar leads. Open that. So these are the similar leads. If you open product pricing, there also the email is exactly the same. And if you go for estimation for office furniture, there also the email is the same. Okay. So this is how it works. So once Odoo finds leads with similar contact information like the email ID or phone number, it's actually suggests a thing like it has a similar lead and you can actually link them, that is merge them. Okay, so this smart button is basically your alert system for potential duplicates. Before merging, it's crucial to confirm if these records truly are duplicates to do this. From the leads or opportunities detail form, you can click on the similar button. Okay, so I've already clicked on the similar leads. So these are the similar leads. This opens a Kanban view displaying only the similar leads or opportunities Odoo has found. So you can click on each card to view its details. This allows you to compare information like names, companies, and all. So if I open this here, you can see the customer is this, company name is it's corporation, sorry. And you can open the other one also. There, the company name is different. Okay. So, and discuss, like you can even add the discussions to confirm if they should indeed to be merged. You can take a look and make sure whether it has to be merged or not. So remember, when you merge, no information is lost. Data from the merged opportunity is logged into the charter and the information field for reference, keeping a complete history. Okay, so once you've confirmed these records are duplicate and should be merged, head back to the Kanban view of similar leads or opportunities. So you have one here which is called estimation for office furniture, where the company is Wood Corner, the customer is Wood Corner, and the company is Deco Edit. I'll simply copy this email over here. Okay, I'm copying the email, and let me do one thing. Let me create a new lead. Okay, so I'm just naming it as new lead itself. The company name. So I'll simply give the company name as demo company. The contact name can be anything. The only thing is that you have to specify the same email. So I've given the email. You can see similar 3 leads are there. So altogether 4 leads are there which are like having similar data is okay. So once you've checked all these things, okay, now you have to switch to the list view. So 4 of them are there in the list view. You can see what the emails of all 4 are exactly the same. Okay. Now, this actually makes the selecting records, that is multiple records, much easier once you put it to the list view. Now, check the box on left for each lead or opportunity you want to combine. So, I'm going to combine new lead and product pricing. Okay. Now, with your record selected, click the actions drop down. And at the top of the page, you can select the merge. So, if you go to the actions, you can see this thing called merge. Okay. So click on merge and a merge pop-up will appear under the assign opportunities to heading, you can choose a specific salesperson. So I'm choosing the salesperson as Mark Demo, let it be, and his sales team will automatically come. Then you can see the leads that we are going to merge. If you want to add more, you can click on add a line. And like before, I mean, sorry, below these leads, you will find a list of the opportunities that you are going to merge or that are about to be merged, along with the key information. Like you can see the email, the contact name, and all. And it's important to note that Odoo prioritize the record created first in the system. However, if you're merging a lead and an opportunity, the result will be an opportunity regardless of creation date. Uh, and when you're absolutely certain, you can click on the merge and be warned. Okay. So, merging is an irreversible action. So, double click if it's incompatible companies on record. So, it actually has different companies, belongs to my company, and salesperson belongs to another company. Okay. We'll do one thing. We'll simply choose Michelle Edmond and try to merge it. Okay. So the merging has done right now. Okay. Now your selected records are merged into one consolidated opportunity, keeping your pipeline clean and preventing duplicate efforts. So obviously the name is taken as that of the first created one. So we have an edit over here. Name. Okay. And while merging is powerful, there are crucial situations where you should avoid combining records. So, understanding these helps maintain data integrity and avoid missteps. So, you can save it from here, and that's how easily you can merge it. Still, there are two similar leads, but I'm not merging that. Okay, there were four, but two are now merged, but two remains. So, even if a lead or opportunity's mark is lost, it can still be merged. So, if you go back, I'm going back to the leads again. Okay, let it be. Now here you can see quotation for 100 desk and all. I'm opening that. You can see similar to leads. So these are the leads which are similar. Now I'm going to quotation for 100 desk and I'm marking it as lost. So let's choose a lost reason and mark is lost. So you can see it's lost right now. Okay, but still you can see this thing. Okay, so however the resulting record will be marked as active once you merge it. So I'm opening the similar leads, putting it into list view. Still it is active. Okay, and I'm trying to merge it. Merge salesperson, I'm choosing Michelle Edmond and clicking on merge. Still, this has been merged. Even though I've merged one lost opportunity and other one which is active, we'll get an active result after the merging. Okay. So if you have similar leads or opportunities for the same organization but with different points of contacts, they might have such distinct needs. So in such cases, it's often better not to merge them. Instead, considering assigning them to the same salesperson or team to prevent duplicated while still managing them separately. So, existing duplicates with more than one salesperson is what we are going to look next. I'm going back to the leads itself. Okay, these are the leads. Now, if similar records are being actively worked on by different salespeople, let's remove this. Merging them could disrupt ongoing efforts while you might keep them separate. It's highly recommended to add an internal note to all the affected salesperson for full visibility and coordination. Okay, and how to identify similarities by email and phone number. Okay, right. In this case, wherever we've merged, we've got common email, and that's the reason why we merged it, and that's the reason why Odoo found it to be similar. However, be conscious if the contact information is similar but not exact. For example, you have things like John at example.com and Jane at example.com from the same domain, but might not be the same company, but are different. I mean, definitely different individuals with potential different needs. Only merge if the contact is truly the same person. Same person. The thing is that you have to make sure, like, there are a lot of things that you have to take a look while you are merging the leads. Okay, only the similar ones. If they are of the same company, the same email and all, then you can merge it. But if there are similar domains, but that doesn't mean they belong to the same company or it's the same person. No. So you have to make sure every details while you are merging it. And that's how you effectively manage similar leads and opportunities in Odoo 18 CRM. By using this merge feature responsibly, you'll maintain a clean, accurate pipeline, enhance team collaboration, and ultimately improve your sales efficiency. If this tutorial helped you clean up your Odoo CRM, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your sales team, and don't forget to subscribe for more Odoo tips and best practices. Got questions about merging or other CRM features? Drop a comment below, and thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.